With Sports Academy, we set out to just inspire athletes to get to their next level and just reach their own personal greatness. Just greatness has already been here, and that's what we want to be associated with.
It's a spot that you want to be at to develop into a great player one day.
Seeing these kids in a position of where I was and how pressed I was to try to get to that next level, I want to give them every tool and help them as much as I can, get to that level.
But anybody who wants the opportunity to play in college needs to have that opportunity given to them, and that starts with us.
Whatever level of baseball you go on to, Division III, JUCO, D1, Pro, you want to come through this place and play because you're going to get seen here.